It might be a new one. They can only exclusively play it in Detroit at the Lager House. We're all about the one-off. One-off. Yeah. But this is a song, make what you will of it. It's called Aphrodite Expedite. Expediting a cruise to the bottom first. But when we're there, we will rise and we'll banish this dirty curse. Expediting a race to the bottom first. When we're there, we will rise and we'll banish this filthy curse. Expediting a race to the bottom first. When we're there, we will rise and we'll banish this filthy curse. Along with your curse of greed, you expedite us to the bottom. When we're there, we'll end your greed and banish you from earth. We stab your tongue with our hand and stop the curse of the land. We stab your tongue with our hand and stop the curse of the land. Stop the curse. All right. No, just for that. Now you're in for it. Because you're going to sing. Not us, you. So this is a song, the title of our album is called That Delicious Vice. And on it we have a song that's called Ese Vicio Delicioso. And it is in Espanol, partially Spanglish. It's in Spanglish. And it is has a rousing chorus on the recording. Like we hired hundreds and thousands of people to sing, and wow, it's blow your fucking mind. But we are only 3 people, so I don't know if we could blow your mind with our rousing chorus. So you have to be the rousing chorus. It's in Espanol, so I know there are Spanish-speaking people here, and I know that you can learn it. It's really easy to learn, I'm going to tell you right now. The first line is, Ese vicio es delicioso, and then the next line is, Ese vicio es para mí, which, if you need a translation, it means, the vice is delicious, and the vice is for me. So you can sing along at the appointed time in perfect pitch, perfect Spanish, and if you don't want to sing, you can dance to it in any language you like. It's called Ese Vicio Delicioso.
Oh, nice.
That delicious spice. I say viso es delicioso. Ese viso es para mí. Ese viso es delicioso. Ese viso es para mí. At the age of 10, Jimmy and Janice were my friends. Their hair and style was so cool. Their acid flashbacks, that was cool. I think they'll make me jump. I think they'll make me scream. In my life, that delicious spice. Ese viso es delicioso. Ese viso es para mí. Ese viso es delicioso. Ese viso es para mí. Let's bring it back. Muchas gracias. Muchas. I'm drinking blood. It's phony blood. I know you. I could see you do that calculation. How does he look so youthful? I don't know. Well, we're going to stay on this Spanglish trajectory. Yes, because we're going to talk about a goddess who was not just a goddess, she was a spider. She was a spider goddess, and she ruled over the underworld, underneath the pyramids in Mexico. Underneath the pyramids, Tenochtitlan, she ruled all the demons, all the people of the underworld. Oh boy, they loved her. They said, "You're so wonderful." Like any ruler, she got bored. She got very bored. She came out of the underworld into the overworld, and she went to a party at my house. We said, "Oh my God, the spider goddess is at our house with her crazy hallucinations and visions." And we said, "Oh, what should we do for you?" And she said, "Shut up. I'm going to drink all the booze. I'm going to fuck all the people. And I am just going to make the worst mess you ever saw in your life." And we said, "We love you. We love you. Your name must be La Araña." One in every town. quite some years. It's lovely to see my friend. It's lovely to feel my friend. In the kitchen, the phone on the wall. He walked in, to my surprise. Electric cord, coil in hand. The flesh of a man, the face of a friend. The man wanted a ride. I said, jump inside, jump inside. Although you've been dead for quite some time, you walked into my room. You walked into my mind. A memory lodged in my brain put me on a plane to visit you.